As a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines, I would like to express my sentiment and my opinion regarding the legality of Duterte's extradition, a violation of the due process. The recent arrest and extradition of former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte to The Hague has sparked national and international debate. While the International Criminal Court claims jurisdiction over his alleged crimes, serious legal and sovereignty issues must be addressed. Question: does the ICC have authority over the Philippines? One of the strongest arguments against Duterte's extradition is that the Philippines withdrew from the ICC in 2019. Under the Rome Statute, a country that is no longer a member is not obligated to cooperate with the ICC unless it voluntarily does so. The ICC argues that it retains jurisdiction over the crimes committed while the Philippines was still a member. But the Philippine government has consistently rejected this claim previously. A Philippine constitution upholds national sovereignty, meaning that any legal action against a Filipino citizen, especially a former president, should be handled by the local courts first. The Supreme Court did not issue ruling on Duterte's extradition. There was no formal treaty or executive order allowing his transfer. The Philippine justice system was not given the chance to investigate or prosecute him locally. If Duterte was into The Hague without exhausting legal remedies in the Philippines, this could be considered a breach of due process and illegal intervention in the country's judicial system. This case is not just about Duterte, it sets a dangerous precedent for future leaders. If a former president can be arrested and extradited without due process, what stops this from happening to any Filipino leader in the future? This raises concerns about how much influence international bodies should have over sovereign nations. Regardless of one's political views, due process and national sovereignty must be upheld. If Duterte is to face charges, it should be done through proper legal channels within the country, not through an external body that the Philippines is no longer part of.